if the world population goes on increasing at the current rate, I wonder how we are going to access health or well-being in the future. In this video, I'm trying to explore uh, this topic and trying to find and if there is any engineering solution to it. Please stay tuned. So I was just wondering that what will the impact of this population explosion have on the future of healthcare and wellness or the infrastructure around it. So just imagine that you are currently staying in a city. The population of that city is ever increasing. There will be a tipping point sometimes in the future where there won't be any space to put a hospital of a huge, there cannot be huge hospitals anymore, or the distance between your house and or where you stay and the nearest hospital is going to be too large. Certainly that is the case right now, even in our villages. People have to travel miles and miles together to reach their closest hospital. This scenario is going to happen even in the cities. That's my prediction. I don't hope it will happen, but I think it will soon happen because the rate at which the population is increasing, at the same rate, the infrastructure cannot keep pace. Another scenario is that imagine you need emergency services and the traffic jam or the roads in your cities are so congested that those ambulances or emergency service providers, they can't reach you in time. If that problem is not happening right now, this problem is going to worsen in the future, and certainly it is going to affect you and me on a daily basis. So what can be a solution? Or rather, I'm sort of a optimistic engineer, so I try to find solution rather than dwell on the problems. So first and foremost, I think is finding a way for people to not fall sick as often. So that means less polluted cities, clean food, clean water, all those things. So if availability of sanitation. So if all those things are taken care of, certainly we will have lesser number of people going in the hospitals or needing hospitals. Obviously, this is a very utopic condition to think about, but certainly we can at least debate about it. So second is, can there be transport facilities mainly for emergency services which can can there be flying ambulances, for example, which can come from the hospital and land on your terrace or in your society and take you. Second, what we are seeing right now is an explosion of these health and wellness apps. I think those are a very good way of providing a personalized healthcare because you yourself can monitor your conditions. Fourth is, can there be an engineering solution to having a personalized equipment? So you don't need to go to the hospitals to take an MRI or a CT scan or an X-ray. Can there be miniaturized versions of those? The humanity will come up with these solutions, but I think the need for to start thinking about them is now. And fourth is COVID pandemic. The silver lining of it has been that the internet infrastructure has improved drastically. So now, because of the access to the internet, remote diagnosing and remote provision of healthcare is even more possible, and it will be possible or it will grow in the future even more. So with all these solutions in place, I think this is the sort of the approach that we need to take. Any engineer watching this video, if he is interested in healthcare, I think these are some of the themes that they can think about. I will be certainly very happy if somebody watches this video and comes up with uses these ideas.